The federal judiciary holds immense power in shaping American life. But behind the authority of the robe, a critical question remains. Who holds judges accountable when ethical lines are crossed? Federal judges are entrusted with impartiality, integrity, and the highest ethical standards. Their decisions can change the course of lives and set precedents for generations. Yet the system that grants them such power also shields them from many forms of public scrutiny. Consider the first scandal. A federal judge faces allegations of misconduct, behavior that calls into question the impartiality expected from the bench. Headlines swirl. Sealed documents circulate. The process unfolds largely behind closed doors, raising concerns about whether internal oversight is truly sufficient. Then another incident emerges. A second judge's actions ignite debate over transparency. Critics ask, should the public know more about how judges are investigated? News stories highlight gaps in the system, while courthouse doors remain closed to outside eyes. The tension between privacy and public trust grows sharper. A third scandal breaks. This time, the controversy rattles confidence in the judiciary itself. The judge's conduct is called into question, and the mechanisms of accountability are tested once again. Courtrooms fill with dramatic lighting as the public wonders, how can trust be restored when the guardians of justice are themselves accused of wrongdoing? These cases are not isolated. Critics argue they reveal deeper weaknesses in how federal judges are overseen. They point to a lack of transparency, limited disciplinary action, and the insular nature of judicial review. Investigative headlines demand answers, while sealed documents keep the public in the dark. Yet supporters of the current system emphasize the importance of judicial independence. They argue that existing oversight and disciplinary procedures are designed to protect judges from political pressure and ensure fair investigations. To them, too much transparency could threaten the very impartiality the judiciary is meant to uphold. So the central question remains, can the judiciary effectively police itself, or does real accountability require greater transparency and public involvement? When public trust is on the line, accountability is no longer just an internal affair. The robe may symbolize authority, but it does not guarantee righteousness. Integrity, accountability, public trust. Follow Ethics Reporter for more investigations into judicial accountability.